driver was mad. He was furious. He got out a gun. He shot at me. Actually, it's a shotgun. Actually, I'm sorry. There's a regular gun with a silencer. I dodged the bullets.
What?
Then I used my ninja moves. I kicked him in the head. He fell to the ground dead. Then I got out a flare gun and shot it in the air. Then the police came. Woo! And a fire truck came. Woo! Then an ambulance came. Woo! And then my arm miraculously grew back.
Never heard an arm grow back before.
Now you would sound like guts, you know, like.
Oh yeah, I was gonna try to think. And then it was a mechanical arm?